own your own house and avail up to 4 lakh rupees subsidy under this government scheme? Hello friends, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Bosswala English. Today we will be talking about Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana 2.0, which is a flagship scheme launched by the Government of India in 2024 to provide affordable, permanent Pakka houses with modern amenities to urban families across income groups. Economically weaker sections, which we call EWS, lower income groups LIG and middle income groups MIG. All these groups are covered in this. This mission is to deliver 1 crore such houses in urban India by 2029 under the Housing for All vision. Let's understand the eligibility and the income criteria now. The table you can see on the screen now shows the income brackets defining who qualifies for assistance through Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana 2.0. The support varies by category with priority and subsidies accordingly. So economically weaker sections should have an annual income up to 3 lakh rupees. LIG groups should have an income up to 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs rupees. And MIG group should have an annual income of 6 lakhs to 9 lakh rupees. The next table shows the loan and property details. So you can see that maximum home loan eligible is with a limit of 25 lakhs. Maximum house value should not exceed 35 lakhs. Maximum carpet area should not exceed to 120 square meters. Location is basically a statutory urban towns per census 2011. And house owner requirement that is required is the applicant must not own a Pakka house anywhere in India. Now this table shows interest subsidy details. You can clearly see in this table that all eligible income groups receive a 4% interest subsidy on the first 8 lakhs of their home loan. Over the loan tenure, this subsidy reduces the payable interest by up to rupees 1.8 lakhs, lowering your monthly EMIs as well. Okay friends, do remember this thing that under this scheme, the government will provide a yearly benefit of around 36,000 rupees to the people who are eligible to apply in this scheme. Okay, let me make you understand this thing by an example. For example, you take a home loan of 25 lakhs at 8.5% rate of interest for 12 years. So the interest that you have to pay is basically around 15 lakhs. So with this scheme, you might get a benefit of up to 1.8 lakh rupees in the interest that you are paying. And accordingly for the EMIs also, now if the interest is lowering, your principal amount, the interest that you will be paying on the remaining principal amount will also get lower. And that benefit you will get around for 2.5 lakhs. So overall, if you see, you will get a benefit of around 4 lakh rupees, including the EMIs and including the interest that you will pay on your principal amount. A good term insurance and health insurance. What if something happens to you? So what will happen to your family in your absence? Their medical emergencies, their financial future is at stake. So in this, Policy Bazaar is helping you. With their term insurance plan, you can get a coverage up to 2 crores rupees where the premium starts from just 699 per month. Up to 15% discount is there and it is the most trusted insurance partners. They also offer health insurance where premium starts from just 400 to 500 rupees per month and getting a coverage up to 1 crore rupees. They also give a 30-minute claim support. So do not ever take any chances with your family's financial future. And to know more about the term insurance and health insurance plans, do check out the link in the description. Let's move on to the video now. Now the question is how to avail these benefits. So first you need to apply under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana 2.0 home loan through an authorized bank. If you want to know the names of the bank, let me know in the comment section. I'll provide you a list that which all banks are providing benefits under this scheme. Next, you require certain documents which will include your income proof, your Aadhaar and your property details. Remember, interest subsidy gets credited upfront or adjusted against the loan principal, reducing your EMI as well. This is very important point in this video that the subsidy that you will get will be on the interest. So additional subsidies for construction or purchase can be availed under different verticals like beneficiary-led construction BLC or affordable housing in partnership, which we call AHP. Let's understand with a realistic example. So EWS family example is what you can see on the screen right now. So annual income, for example, is 2.7 lakhs. House cost is 8 lakhs. Loan taken is 6 lakhs. So interest subsidy rate is 4% on 6 lakhs. Interest subsidy amount will be approx 1.8 lakhs over the loan tenure, and the direct construction subsidy, if eligible, so it will be 1.5 lakhs, and the total financial benefit that the person will get is approx 3.3 lakhs. Next example is of an low income group where the annual income might be 4.5 lakhs, house cost might be 15 lakhs, loan taken might be 12 lakhs. So interest subsidy rate will be 4% on 8 lakhs. Interest subsidy amount will be approx 1.8 lakhs over the loan tenure, and direct construction subsidy, if applicable, will be 1.5 lakhs. So the total financial benefit will be 3.3 lakhs. In a similar way, middle income group example is like the annual income is 8 lakhs, house cost is 30 lakhs, and loan taken is 20 lakhs. So the total financial benefit here will also be 3.3 lakhs. So basically, friends, the conclusion here is that Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban 2.0 empowers millions by combining direct subsidies and interest relief to make home ownership affordable. This scheme opens door for EWS, LIG and MIG families to access secure, defined home with aligned urban infrastructure and social benefits. This scheme is for anyone who's seeking affordable urban housing under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana 2.0. I hope that you got to know everything related to this video. If you have any doubts, any feedback for me, do let me know in the comment section. And I am Ansi. We'll see you in the next video.
Boss Wala. Be the boss.